If you've been following smartphone news, 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years in mobile tech, and right now the buzz is all about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro, because early leaks suggest Google is going bigger than ever with upgrades that could actually put it head-to-head against the iPhone 16 lineup, and that's a bold claim, but let's dive in and see why so many people in the US are calling this Google's most ambitious flagship yet. From the design side, leaks point to a sleeker frame with thinner bezels, a nearly edge-to-edge display, and a punch-hole selfie camera that finally gets rid of the dated look from previous Pixel phones. And what's even more interesting is Google may bring a titanium frame option, something we usually only see on Apple's Pro iPhones, which shows how serious Google is about competing in the premium market. The display is rumored to be a 6.7-inch QHD+ OLED panel with LTPO technology, offering a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers, scrollers, or anyone who values smooth animations, and early sources claim it could even reach a peak brightness above 2500 nits, making it one of the brightest screens in the industry, great for outdoor use in the US where sunlight can wash out weaker panels. Now the big question is performance, and here's where the Pixel 9 Pro may surprise a lot of people, because it's expected to debut the new Google Tensor G4 chip, developed in collaboration with Samsung's Foundry. And leaks suggest it's not just about speed but AI optimization, meaning real-time translation, advanced camera processing, and personalized features could run faster and more efficiently than ever before, and with AI being the hot trend of 2025, this could be the Pixel's biggest selling point. Speaking of cameras, the Pixel 9 Pro is rumored to get a triple camera setup with a new 50 megapixels main sensor, an upgraded ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto lens capable of up to 10x optical zoom, which, if true, would finally give US buyers a Pixel phone that competes directly with Samsung's Galaxy Ultra models and Apple's Pro Max line in zoom photography. Combine that with Google's unmatched computational photography and AI enhancements, and you're looking at a phone that could dominate in both daylight and low-light conditions, something Pixel fans have been waiting for. Battery life is another area where Google seems to be listening, because leaks hint at a 5,200 mAh battery with faster 45W charging and finally support for 15W Qi2 wireless charging, which could make it much more practical for everyday users in the US who already rely on wireless charging pads and car docks. On the software side, of course the Pixel 9 Pro will launch with Android 15 out of the box, but what makes it stand out is Google's promise of at least 7 years of software updates, matching or even beating Apple's long-term iOS support, and that's huge for people who don't want to upgrade every year. Pricing is still under wraps, but rumors suggest a $999 starting point, which puts it directly against the iPhone 16 Pro, and if Google nails the performance, design, and AI features, this could finally be the Pixel that convinces US buyers to switch from Apple. So the real question is, will the Google Pixel 9 Pro actually be the iPhone 16 killer, or will it just be another solid but niche option? Based on what we're seeing in these early leaks, Google is finally stepping up with a phone that checks every box: premium design, powerful AI-focused hardware, next-level cameras, and competitive battery and charging features, and that makes the Pixel 9 Pro one of the most exciting phones to watch in 2025. Stick around, because as soon as more leaks and official announcements drop, I'll be breaking them down here on Digital Dive, but for now I want to hear from you. Would you switch to the Pixel 9 Pro over the iPhone 16, or is Apple still holding your loyalty in 2025? Let me know in the comments.